In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Facebook ads billing history. If you regularly advertise on Facebook, there may come a time when you need to review your past charges. Whether you're reconciling business expenses, preparing financial records, verifying a payment, or providing documentation to your accountant, Facebook Ads Manager makes it easy to access your billing history. From the Billing and Payments section, you can review previous transactions, adjust the date range, and even download your payment records when needed. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click the Billing and Payments option, which is represented by a credit card icon. This section contains all of the payment information associated with your advertising account. After the Billing and Payments page opens, scroll down until you find the Payment Activity section. This area displays your recent billing transactions, including charges that have been processed on your account. If your account hasn't been active for a while, you may only see older transactions listed here, but don't worry, you can easily access your complete history. To view additional records, click the View All Activity option. This opens a more detailed transaction history where you can search through payments made over different periods of time. On the right side of the page, you'll find options for selecting the date range you want to review. If you're only looking for recent activity, you can choose one of the preset time periods. If you need records from a specific period, you can select a custom date range instead. And if you'd like to see every transaction associated with your account, simply choose the Lifetime option. Once you've selected the appropriate time frame, Facebook will display all matching billing transactions. You can review each payment individually, making it easier to verify charges or locate a specific transaction. If you need more information about a particular payment, click on its transaction ID to open additional details. If you're preparing reports or keeping business records, you'll also have the option to download your billing history directly from this page. Downloading your payment records can be especially useful for bookkeeping, tax preparation, or sharing documentation with your accountant. Take a moment to review the information before leaving the page to make sure you've found the transactions you were looking for and downloaded any records you may need. And that's all there is to checking your Facebook ads billing history. By using the Billing and Payments section and adjusting the date range, you can quickly locate past transactions, review payment details, and download your advertising records whenever they're needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.